Yo, what up guys? What up guys? And welcome to a new video. But today it will be very different because today is not a traveling video. But today I will be unpacking this one. What do I have? I have a new television. It's 55-inch. It's sharp. It's 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV. Wow. And it also has Dolby sound. Okay, that is very interesting. I really hope that these things don't mean anything to the television. I see there's like a hole, there's a little scratch, there is one also. And let me see that. Here you can see there's a scratch and I don't know what this is. So I really hope that the driver didn't mess up my television. Oh my god, there. Okay guys, I'm gonna get my scissors, I'm gonna get my knife, I'm gonna open that. Let's do this. I will be back in 1 second. Okay, so I'm now a little bit further with the unpacking. This is the top, I put it off. These are the sides, I put it off. I have now I wanted to put it up there, but the friends that should have helped me, they are not coming anymore this weekend to help me. So at this point, I think maybe I will put them on these two tables that I had, so it doesn't stand on the ground. But now I got like all the sides and the top I got off. But now I question myself, do I just pull it by the television? Is that how people do it normally? Maybe I should have like sorted this out before I started to unpack everything. I don't know. Yes, I think I will watch now some videos on YouTube, or maybe I will see some information on like the internet, like how do you unpack this big box. Even if my friend would have arrived, I think I still would have the same question. Because actually, like my colleague from work, he actually showed up to help me get it like upstairs. I live at like the 3rd floor, but he's now gone. But now I'm thinking, maybe it was better to unpack it while he was still here. Yeah, I have no idea if he had the time. But now I'm thinking, yeah, I'm gonna look on the internet, like how do I unpack this? Is it actually something that let me show you, is just I grab it like here, and then just pull out? I don't know. Haha. Okay guys, so I am a little bit further. I started a little bit of sweating. So I looked on the internet and they give some tips on how to do it. And of course they advise to do this with 2 persons. But I read on Reddit, yeah, this is like the best site ever. And they're like, there are also people questioning, like, can I do this by my own if I don't have any people besides me? So people basically said yes. So they all recommended, even if you have other people or not, to put it on the side, to put on the screws. So I did it, and I did it very gently, so I think everything is perfect. So now I have these bad boys that I need to put it on, and then I will put my tables here, and then I can hopefully turn it on without any problems with the screen. I hope I hope I didn't make any mistakes when opening it myself, and if I did, well, I will say, yeah, it came like this because I can show them the holes in the package. So I think either win, it's a win-win-win-win-win. I will keep you updated. I will now screw everything. I will try to put it on and then turn it on. Okay guys, so I think I'm like at the last stop. I think everything went very good. Let me show you. So I set up the tables because these are actually the only ones that I got, because I wanted to put it down there, but my friends and family didn't come to help. So I'm now here alone. I think I put up the little steps on it, the little handles to stand on, so that's very good. I put up the tables that I had, they're the same size, that's also very good. But now I'm really having like problems to think, like, how do I put that television there? Because if I grab it like this, I will be standing like this, and then I cannot make the turn to put it there. So I have to grab it like from that side, but I cannot because I cannot walk through the couch. So I'm for the last like 5 minutes, I'm really like having a discussion with myself, like how do I put that without breaking it there. I mean, like if you ask me, I will tell you I'm a very smart man. I mean, that's like everyone knows me, knows that. But this is giving me like a headache. I really don't want to wait like for my friends or something because it will be at the earliest I think in 2 days. So I want to test it now, man. I'm really getting angry, man. No, I'm not getting angry, but yeah, I need to think of this. I will give an update later, maybe in a couple minutes. Hey, what up, guys? Wow, I got lost of the time and I got forgot a little bit about these recordings. So as you can see, I'm already sitting on the couch. What does that mean? That means that I installed my television, and as you can see, everything is actually perfect. I turned off the sound because I'm not sure what I can play. Maybe YouTube will say, yeah, you don't have any rights to play this song or something with the music. So actually, these are the stickers. I actually have not put like the protective tape out of my television because I was so scared that something maybe went wrong because I saw so many holes in the package, but they still had maybe like this before the actual television begins inside of the package. So, and the whole television was like very good, yeah, packed. As you can see, I just put two random tables that I had in my house. This one was in the living room and this one was from my bedroom. I was like, yeah, if my friends and family didn't come to like put it on the wall, then I do it myself just to be sure that everything is working. And as you can see, the quality is so good of this television. And I must say, I haven't even like what is the English word? I don't know. I didn't even like calibrate. I think, yeah, the television settings. It's all on default, so I can even make it better, I think, over time. But this was the package, the getting out of the package of my television. Wow, this is my first video, and I think it went really good. I mean, not the video itself, but I mean the way that I unpacked it. I think it went so good because I didn't have any help. Well, I only the help to get it from downstairs to my third floor. A friend of mine came, but yeah, for the rest, I did everything myself, and I can see that it's working. Everything is very good, no problems. This was the unpacking of my television. Tell me how it went. Did you like the video? What did you like? What didn't you not like? Oh, sorry.